Welcome to the Breadstone Ovens Company. Today we're going to be making Cranberry Beef Bourguignon. We have some bacon, some beef, some flour, some beef broth, some garlic, salt, pepper, some thyme, some red wine, olive oil, bay leaves. We have some tomato paste, butter, some cranberries, some onions, mushroom, and some carrots. We're going to start by chopping the bacon in smaller pieces, and then we're going to saute it in the oven. So we're going to chop the bacon about ½ inch long for the strips. Make sure it cuts all the way through. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. While your meat is cooking, you can prepare all your vegetables. Right, next we are going to dry the meat. And we put it in the fat from the bacon. We're going to toss the meat into the bacon fat. Now it's ready to be placed in the oven. Now that the meat is nicely seared and browned, we're going to put it aside with the bacon. We're going to put the onion in the meat drippings. And we're going to season it with salt and pepper. And we're going to put it back on the oven. While the pan is really hot, we're going to deglaze with a little bit of cognac. And then we're going to add the meat back in. And we're going to toss it together. So we transferred all the meat from the cast iron pan to the Dutch oven so we can stew it for several hours. We're going to clean the pan where we sauteed everything with some beef broth. We're going to make sure we get all the nice fat that came from the bacon, and we transfer it over to the Dutch oven. We're going to do the same with the wine. We're going to add some of the cranberries, tomato paste, the bay leaves, the garlic, a little bit of the thyme, and finally, the carrots and mushrooms. I'm going to add the salt. We're going to cover it with a lid and cook it for 2 hours in the oven at about 250 to 300 degrees. Your stew is nicely cooked. You have some beautiful colors, a little bit of juice.